Very good morning. I am Dr. Virendra Kumar Pal from Regional Institute of Ophthalmology, Sitapur Eye Hospital. On occasion of International Ophthalmologist Day, I am presenting a very important cause of dry eye, that is Sjogren's syndrome. Sjogren's syndrome is actually an autoimmune disease. In autoimmune disease, mainly what happens, our immune system acts against the cells of our body. And in this disease, they mainly involve the lacrimal gland and salivary glands. This disease is very common in older age group, and mainly females are 10 times more prone than the males. The predisposing factors are genetic factors, viral infections, and sex hormones. The disease manifested mainly in two ways. One is the dry eye, and another one is dry mouth. In a dry eye, due to the lack of secretion of tears, patient feels burning sensation, grittiness, and something sand-like things are present in their eyes. In dry eye, patient feel pain or discomfort during swallowing and feel dryness, and some dental problems are there. The disease may also associated with rheumatoid arthritis, connective tissue disorders like lupus. The disease also involved various organs, like they produces joint pain, joint stiffness, joint swelling, may involve thyroid, may involve the lungs and produces breathlessness, may involve the kidney, and in this way this is a multi organs disease. Diagnosis is not very easy because the symptoms are very common and they may associate it with some other types of disease also, but definitely confirmatory tests are blood tests, eye examination, biopsies, and various types of imaging techniques. Management is also not by a single doctor, but it is a multidisciplinary approach. Like ophthalmologist care the eye, they provided artificial tears, they produce various types of medicines which actually increase the secretions of tear, like pilocarpine, various anti-infectives like cyclosporine. They also provided autologous serum, and surgical procedures like punctal occlusion, punctal plug, like that. Dental doctor manage the dental problems like dental cavities, ENT surgeons manage the mouth-related problems, and rheumatologists manage the problems which is related to the joint pains. So this is a disease which involves various organs, but mainly the eye and the mouth. And this is an autoimmune disease, so definitive care is not present. But with the help of various types of medications, patient may remain comfortable, and the continuous treatment is required according to the symptom of disease. Thank you very much.